So ito na mga par, may nireveal si VP Sara sa korupsyon ng gobyerno mga par. So pakinggan natin mga par.
Naririnig ng akusasyon ng nakawan dito sa ating gobyerno. Corruption in government. Naririnig niyo ba na millions ang ninanakaw? Hindi, di ba? Ang naririnig niyo, billions ang ninanakaw sa budget natin. Alam niyo bakit 150 million lang yon? Kasi kinompute yun kung buwan-buwan ano ang gagawin at ano ang i-implement. Napakaliit na amount ang 150 million. So bakit kami magnanakaw ng 150 million? Ang nakawan sa gobyerno, billion, ginamit yun sa trabaho. Bakit 125 plus 500 lang yung sa Office of the Vice President? Kasi kinompute yun. Buwan-buwan. Ang problem sa 125, binigay siya sa amin December na. And the requirement in government offices, you have to utilize money before December 31, before the end of the year. So ang ginawa, lahat ng PEPs, in-implement. Diba? And as I said, government offices disperse millions, billions in a day. Sa DepEd, nagdi-disperse. Pumipirma kami ng cheque. Multi-million. Kung i-total mo ang mga checks araw-araw na nalalabas sa DepEd, billions. Nagbabayad kami. So, bakit nila kine-question yung pagbabayad ng millions in a day? And that is part of work of government offices to disperse money every day and pay obligations. Ginamit yun sa trabaho.
I have questions about acknowledgement receipts. Will you explain all those or answer all those questions?
Isn't it that they've been asking those questions from the resource persons, from COA, from the ODP personnel? So why will I answer again? I already answered when we sent our answers to the Commission on Audit. It was clear there. In fact, ayoko naman kasi mag-discuss ng CF ba, but in fact, the 125 confidential funds had a notice of disallowance, but not the entire amount. Let's make that clear. Not the entire amount of the 125 million was disallowed by the Commission on Audit. Meaning, all the rest of the funds, I do not have the number right now. I think it's approximately 70 million that was disallowed. But that is subject to appeal because gusto ko ba sabihin ito sa inyo? Dahil during the discussion, I was telling the lawyer to submit a document. But the lawyer said, when lawyers are discussing and they have their own positions, it's really a difficult meeting to do. I said to submit, and then other lawyers said, do not submit. Ay di lumabas yung disallowance. And then sinabihan ko yung lawyer, sabi ko, tingnan mo, lumabas yung disallowance. Sabi ko, sa appeal, ilabas mo yung document.
Actually, Colonel Chica and Colonel Velasco na nabanggit ko naman.
Wait lang so tapusin ko lang. And then, so clear na yon. The first, second, and third quarters, undergoing audit. Merong AOM na sinasagot namin ngayon. Okay? For DepEd, the first and second quarters, may credit notice na yon. Ibig sabihin, cleared na ang buong pera. Diba? Ewan ko lang kung sinasabi ito ng mga congressman. Of course, hindi nila sinasabi, diba? Because they want to present their own narrative. Tapos na yon. the money in DepEd first and second quarter cleared with credit notice. The ongoing audit is on the third quarter only, and it's ongoing. So you cannot question an ongoing audit, and you cannot audit the funds of any government office because that is the exclusive domain of the Commission on Audit. Bakit nag-audit ang ating mga congressman? Dapat sila gumagawa ng batas. Nakikita nyo? Sinasabi na nila ngayon, in the proper time, we will legislate. Kasi sinasabi namin where is the proposed legislation? Hinahanap namin. So ngayon, dinadagdag na nila yon. Madali lang naman siya Pakinggan nyo lang, basahin nyo lang lahat ng mga nangyayari. Madali lang maintindihan kung anong ginagawa nila. Okay?
Last question, please. Last question. Kumarap na si Fernando Velasquez na chika, mas hindi na ba ng publiko at ng Kongreso ito paggastos po ng confidential funds?
Really, I still say that confidential funds, the use of confidential funds cannot be divulged. Sinasabi ko pa rin yan. They cannot be divulged in public. It will compromise lives and security of personnel who are cooperating or who are nandoon sa kabila na asset. You cannot do that. That is why it is called confidential funds. Oo, kasi tineterrorize nila. Of course, magkakasakit talaga ang tao na hinaharas mo, tineterrorize mo. Ako lang naman ang hindi nagkakasakit dahil politiko ako. You can terrorize me and harass me all you want. It does not matter to me. Pero these are ordinary Office of the Vice President employees. They are not politicians. They are ordinary citizens. So, pag hinaras mo yan, terrorize mo yan, ganyan talaga mangyayari. Sinasabihan ko yung doktor kagabi, Dok, i-clear nyo yan na mag-attend ulit. Kung sa susunod, diretsong stroke na yan. Ngayon, swerte tayo, hindi na stroke, hindi na heart attack. But the family has a history of heart attack. Lahat ng kanyang ang parents and some relatives, heart attack lahat ang ikinamatay. So, papaupuin pa ba natin doon? Tapos antayin natin, na heart attack. Yes. Diba?
So yun mga par, ni-reveal ni BP Sara yung sa kanyang budget. Kaya yung hindi niya ni-reveal yung about confidential funds. Kasi mga par, hindi talaga pwede i-public. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng confidential funds.